Good morning. We will discuss another factor of drug modifying drug actions, tolerance. Most important factor, frequently asked in the annual exam, tolerance. Tolerance. What happened in the tolerance? On the repeated administration, some drug like opioid barbiturate, CNS depressant, and nitrates drug. On the repeated administration of such a drug, opioids, that is example opium, morphine, codeine, phosphate, barbiturates, CNS benzodiazepine, CNS depressant drug, example alprazolam, nitrazepam, nitrate drugs, they are regularly used provoke ineffective at therapeutic dose. Then a progressive increase in the dose is required to produce desired effect. This phenomenon called as drug tolerance. Okay, it's a very quite simple. Are you understand? See again. See, listen carefully and see. Drug tolerance, how is developed? Repeated administration of such a drug. Opioids, for example, morphine, codeine, phosphate. You know it, morphine in our language, Marathi, Hindi, ganja. Barbiturates, that is CNS depressant drug. Another CNS depressant, benzodiazepines category drug. Example, alprazolam, diazepam, नींद की गोली, and the nitrate. Such a drug you can use repeatedly. The ineffective. Regularly you can use. Therapeutic dose is totally ineffective, does not produce the desired effect. When you required produce the desired effect, then you increase the dose, then they produce the desired effect. This phenomenon is called as a drug tolerance. Okay, again I can explain. On the repeated administration of such a drug, opioid, barbiturate, CNS depressant, and the nitrate drug, they provoke ineffective at the therapeutic dose. Then a progressive increase in the dose is required to produce desired effect. This phenomenon called as drug tolerance. For example, see how the example, you can take barbiturate tablet daily, whatever it may be, 10 mg for example, you can use for a long period, more than 30 days. Then after long period, after 1 month, the barbiturate dose 10 mg does not produce desired effect, what happened afterwards? The dose you can increase 15 mg, then they produce desired effect. This phenomenon called as the drug tolerance. The body having the tendency, once you can take continuously, automatically body develop the resist, then that does not produce the effect. That called as a drug tolerance. Okay, now you can see the types. Now the drug tolerance can be further classified into 3 types. True tolerance, second pseudo tolerance, you can write down complete spelling, then trachophylaxis. Okay. True tolerance further can classify, again true tolerance further classify into 2 types: natural tolerance and second acquired tolerance. Then natural tolerance again further classify into 2 types: species tolerance and racial tolerance. You can write down the complete spelling, don't write short. An acquired tolerance again classify into 2 types: tissue tolerance and the cross tolerance. Now these are the tolerance, drug tolerance. How question asks define tolerance, explain about drug tolerance. Then you can draw this chart and explain true tolerance, pseudo tolerance, trachytolerance. And true tolerance again classify natural tolerance and the acquired tolerance. The natural tolerance again further classify into species tolerance and the racial tolerance. Acquired tolerance can be classified again tissue and the cross tolerance. Now see what afterwards you can see the one by one. Now see the true tolerance. Give the heading true tolerance. What happened is the true tolerance. true tolerance. True tolerance can be occur. It can be occur in the both. It has been observed in the both oral and the parenteral administration of the drug. And true tolerance can be divided by the natural tolerance and acquired tolerance. Now see the natural tolerance. Natural tolerance. Natural tolerance can occur due to various inherent factors which are found in particular species and the races. Species or races. You know the species and the races very well. Then the natural tolerance further can be classified species tolerance. Now, again, this should be given the A. It can further classify, give the Roman species tolerance. Species tolerance. The some animal species can tolerate large amount of the drug may prove the lethal to the man in the species tolerance. Some animal species can tolerate large amount of drug which may be lethal to man. Lethal, toxic to the man. In the species tolerance, some animal you can, some drug you can given to the animal, they can tolerate large amount, they does not having any effect to the animal, but same dose you can give to the man that produce the toxic effect, that is a danger. It should be very dangerous. That is called as the species tolerance. Example. Now see the example. Rabbit can tolerate large amount of atropine due to presence of an enzyme atropinase. That enzyme destroyed the atropine, Okay, are you understand the example? You can take the C. What is species tolerant? It is used for animal species. Animal you can, which are animal you use? Rabbit. You can give the large amount of atropine. They can tolerate. How they can tolerate? Because of the enzyme. Atropinase is the enzyme Such an enzyme is atropinase. That large amount of atropine is taken, is totally destroyed and then neutralized, and it does not produce any harm effect. But in case of large amount of atropine give the man, that gives the toxic effect. That is called as the Pace's tolerance. Second class, natural tolerance can be further classified Pace's and the racial. Now see the racial tolerance is most important, always asked in the annual examination. It has been observed that ephedrine, this drug, installed means by using dropper, put in eye, ड्रॉपर ऊपर से डालने का, बाय ड्रॉपर से आई में डालने का, दैट इज कॉल्ड द इंस्टॉलेशन इन द कंजक्टिवा सैक, इन द conjunctival sac. Then what happen in the eye? They dilate the pupil. Dilation of pupils. Dilation of pupils okay. Dilation of pupils means pupil size is increase more than normal when drug is administered, but racial tolerance but the Negroes show no effect. Racial tolerance, it has been observed that ephedrine drug installation by drop in the eye, conjunctiva sac, pupils is dilated after some time. Pupil should be dilate, increase the pupil size, but is given in the man. But you can give the Negroes, you know the Negroes should be present in the West Indies, South African. Such a guys, you can installation of ephedrine. It does not produce the dilation effect, no effect. That is called the racial tolerance. Do you understand? Okay, now next B. Classification is the acquired tolerance. Next should be the acquired tolerance. Repeated administration of some drug produce tolerance is called as the acquired tolerance. Repeated administration of some drug is produce tolerance is called as acquired tolerance. You know the tolerance resists the body, dose is increased. Okay. The acquired tolerance can be observed by opioids derivative naturally occurring, opioids, morphine, barbiturates, churates, xanthine derivative, xanthine, see again the acquired tolerance. The acquired repeated administration of a sub drug or certain drug, they produce a tolerance. Tolerance means resist the body, and then dose is further, dose should be increased, and then they produce desired effect. That is called the acquired tolerance. And the example of such a drug is opioid, barbiturate, xanthine derivative, or xanthine alkaloids. It's a CNS stimulant drug. Okay. Acquired tolerance can be again classified tissue tolerance and cross tolerance. Then first you can see now the tissue tolerance. Tissue tolerance. In the case the tolerance is developed to some effect only. In this case the tolerance developed some effect. Example, tolerance can occur to analgesic and euphoric action. Action of morphine, but does not produce miotic effect and constipation. In the tissue tolerance, see the against the tissue tolerance is developed. In some cases is developed some effect of the drug produce analgesic relief of pain. Okay. Euphoric effect, how you know it very well. Those you can think very deeply, and then such simply abhas, in the language Marathi is called abhas, euphoric effect. Those you think about very deeply, heartedly, that's the you feeling ये अपने सामने खड़ा है is आभास. For example, is one good movie, शायद मुन्ना भाई MBBS या part 2, is the actor is Abbas. Bapu is there. That is euphoric effect. Is the neurotransmitter is in balance, and such effect is called as the euphoric effect. Marathi called is the Abbas. अपने समोर उभा अपने पास वो खड़ा है, ऐसे अपने को फीलिंग होता है. That is euphoric effect. Such effect occur due to only the morphine. That is called the tissue tolerance. But the morphine you can install the drug, they produce the miotic effect. Miotic effect means constrict the pupils. Pupils are constricted, and the major adverse effect of morphine is constipation. But you can take repeated administration, tolerance is developed, and then they produce the euphoric action, euphoric effect, and the analgesic effect. But they don't have produced the constipation and the miotic effect is called as a tissue tolerance. And the second, acquired tolerance, again develop the cross tolerance. Cross tolerance. Cross tolerance, when an individual tolerance develops, in case individual tolerance develop to a particular class of drug, particular class of drug. Okay. He also developed the tolerance to other drug of same group is called as the cross tolerance. Do you understand? When an individual develop the tolerance of particular class, but other group of same drug is also develop the tolerance, is called as a cross tolerance. Example, vasodilation effect produce glyceryl trinitrate. Tolerance is developed to same group of drug use pentaerythral trinitrate. They produce the cross tolerance. See example, vasodilation effect produced by glycerin nitrate, tolerance is developed, but other drug is another drug of same group, pentaerythral trinitrate, same group, the other drug is produced also tolerance, is called as a cross tolerance. Okay, these are the examples. Now the last, another classification is, now the two tolerance is over. You can just see the natural tolerance and acquired tolerance. Natural tolerance again classified Pacis tolerance and the racial tolerance. Acquired tolerance again classified tissue tolerance and the cross tolerance. Now do the next, second type, pseudo tolerance. Pseudo tolerance. This tolerance, in the pseudo tolerance, is developed by one route. Continuously you can take a drug same rule, and such tolerances develop is called as the pseudo tolerance. And last, trachyphylaxis. Acute tolerance occur. Acute tolerance occur may developed by acute tolerance occur after repeated administration of a drug. Repeated administration of drug, short